You think your car insurance is protecting you? Think again, because one simple mistake could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And the scary part is, many drivers don't discover their mistake until after they get into an accident. So today, we're looking at 7 car insurance mistakes that could seriously hurt your wallet. Let's start with mistake number 1. Choosing the cheapest insurance policy. You see 2 options. One is cheap, and the other costs a little more. Of course, the cheap one looks attractive. But wait, a cheaper policy may come with lower coverage limits or a much higher deductible. That means after a serious accident, you could be left paying a huge amount of money yourself. So remember, the cheapest insurance is not always the best deal. Always compare the coverage, not just the price. Mistake number 2. Choosing a deductible you can't afford. Your deductible is the amount you must pay before your insurance starts covering the rest. For example, imagine your deductible is $1,500. Then suddenly, you get into an accident and the damage costs $2,000. You might have to pay the first $1,500 yourself. So ask yourself this question: if I had an accident tomorrow, could I afford my deductible? If the answer is no, your deductible might be too high. Mistake number 3. Never updating your insurance information. Life changes all the time. Maybe you move to a new address. Maybe you start working from home. Maybe you drive fewer miles. Or maybe a new driver starts using your car. All of these things can affect your insurance. If your information is outdated, you could be paying more than necessary, and in some situations, incorrect information can create problems when you file a claim. Mistake number 4. Assuming that full coverage means everything is covered. Many drivers hear the words full coverage and think, great, I'm protected from everything. But that's not how it works. Your policy may have exclusions, limits, and situations that are not covered. Some personal belongings inside your car may not be covered. Certain types of damage may not be covered either. So never just assume. Read your policy and understand what you are actually paying for. Mistake number 5. Never asking for discounts. This is one of the easiest ways to potentially save money. Insurance companies may offer discounts for safe driving, multiple policies, driving fewer miles, or having safety features in your car. But here's the catch: some discounts may not be applied automatically. You may need to ask. So once a year, simply call your insurance company and ask, are there any discounts I qualify for? You might be surprised by how much you can save. Mistake number 6. Letting your insurance policy lapse. A lapse happens when your insurance ends because you missed a payment or failed to renew your policy. Even a short lapse can cause serious problems. You could be driving without coverage, and getting a new policy afterward could potentially cost you more. So set a reminder, pay on time, and never assume your policy is active without checking. And finally, mistake number 7. Never reviewing your policy. Many drivers simply renew the same policy every year without checking anything. But your situation can change. Your car gets older. Your driving habits change. You may move. You may drive less. And insurance prices can change too. That's why you should review your policy at least once a year. Check your coverage. Check your deductible. Look for discounts. And compare your options. Because car insurance is not just about finding the lowest price. It's about making sure you're actually protected when you need it most. So remember, don't choose insurance based only on price. Don't choose a deductible you can't afford. Keep your information updated. Understand what your policy really covers. Ask about discounts. Avoid letting your policy lapse. And review your insurance every year. Avoiding these 7 mistakes could save you a lot of money and a lot of stress. So before you renew your car insurance, take a few minutes and check your policy. Your future self might thank you. And if you found this video useful, follow for more simple money and car tips.